Hello everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we are going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States over the next few days or so. So let's get into it. So today is September 12th, 2025. And we got 2 slight risks for severe weather today, a 2 out of 5 slight risk. So let's start with our severe weather outlook, and then we'll get into our tropical weather outlook. But let's start with our severe weather outlook. So let's check out our day 1 outlook for today, September 12th, 2025 for severe weather. So areas that we can see severe weather today will be down here, as we do have a slight risk in effect in this circle. The yellow slight risk is in effect in this area, and the concerns that we can see in there is strong winds, severe thunderstorms, and possibly some pretty large hail. Some storms are tracking east towards that location and could cause some severe weather. And currently, we also do have a marginal risk going around the area too, where some scattered severe weather will be inside the green also today, September 12th, in this area. We also have a lot of rain around this area as well, so make sure to be staying weather over if you're in that risk. Then we do got another risk for today, which is this very large marginal risk, which is an area that we could see some scattered severe weather today. And we also do have a pretty large slight risk in this location, where some severe weather will also be a possibility later today. We don't have any tornado outlooks for this area, but we could see some very strong winds and some large hail in the yellow as well. Okay, now that we got our severe weather outlook down for today, let's check out our severe weather for tomorrow, September 13th, 2025, as we have 3 separate marginal risks. Firstly, for tomorrow, September 13th, we got a marginal risk for down here, and then we got a marginal risk for up here, and then we got a marginal risk over here for northeastern Illinois, including Chicago, southern Wisconsin, and parts of Indiana. And this includes the cities of Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, Logansport, South Bend, Chicago, Joliet, Waukegan, Rockford, Milwaukee, and Madison, and that is for tomorrow. So if you're inside that marginal risk for tomorrow, or in any of those cities tomorrow, make sure to be staying weather aware, as you guys do have a potential to see some severe weather. Let's check out our day 3 outlook for September 14th, 2025, as we do have a marginal risk expanding through North Dakota through South Dakota into eastern Nebraska and western Minnesota for September 14th. And then we also do get a small marginal risk for the Panhandle of Texas for September 14th as well. Now that we got our severe weather outlook down, let's get into our tropical weather outlook. So we do have a tropical disturbance that is kind of concerning for the United States, but we could see some tropical development of the system. And it says eastern and central tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave located over the west coast of Africa is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms over the far eastern Atlantic. Dry and stable air will likely limit the system's development over the next few days, but a tropical depression could form by the middle to latter portion of next week, while moving west-northwestward at 10 to 15 miles per hour over the central tropical Atlantic. If you're in the east coast of the United States, just be watching this. I guarantee that nothing will happen. We could see development, but I don't expect it to hit any land. And the thing that we think that's going to happen is it's just going to go up into Atlantic and not affect anyone. That's just what we think that's going to happen. Then we do have a tropical storm over here. What's its name? Tropical Storm Mario. We have Tropical Storm Mario in the Pacific Ocean. Not expected to impact anyone as the storm moves through this area, but it's expected to go this way and not affect anyone. It's Tropical Storm Mario. Now that we got our severe weather outlook down, our tropical weather outlook down, let's look at some of our temperatures that we could be seeing in the United States. So yeah. So our temperatures should be staying around normal, as you can see. We're kind of seeing above normal temperatures now within this area. We're seeing above normal temperatures in the United States, and I don't know the reason why, but we're just seeing above normal temperatures, especially for fall. It went from below normal and then went to above normal, which is kind of weird. But anyways, guys, it's supposed to stay above normal temperatures for the next 3 to 4 weeks. At least that's what we're looking at right now. So It's pretty crazy. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado. We also could see some rain in Florida, in southern Florida today, but not a big deal. But make sure to be staying weather aware. And yeah, have a good day.